Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your EasyCam. First, gather all essential components, including your camera, its USB cable, and any power adapters. Before making any connections, always ensure both your EasyCam and the device you are connecting it to are completely powered off. This prevents potential damage to either unit. Next, carefully identify the correct connection ports on both your camera and your computer or recording device. Now, let's make the physical connection. Take the USB cable provided with your EasyCam and firmly insert one end into the camera's USB port. Then, connect the other end of the USB cable into an available USB port on your computer or a powered USB hub. If you have a wireless EasyCam, ensure it is fully charged and positioned within a range of about 10 meters from your receiving device for optimal signal. Once physically connected, it's time for software setup. Visit the EasyCam manufacturer's website to download and install the latest official software or drivers. Follow the clear, step-by-step on-screen prompts to ensure a correct installation. After the software is installed, launch the application. Your EasyCam should appear in the list of detected devices, ready for you to select and configure. Finally, let's test your connection. Open the EasyCam software and try capturing a still image or recording a short video to confirm everything is working correctly. If your camera isn't detected, double-check all cable connections to ensure they are secure and in the correct ports. For persistent issues, refer to your EasyCam's user manual or visit the manufacturer's online support for detailed troubleshooting guides and solutions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.